Hi there. Today I'm going to be doing a review of this Zufecy bike valve core removal tool that works with both Schrader and Presta valve cores. And let's go ahead and take a quick look close up so you can see what it looks like. And this end right here is for removing the Presta valve core, which we're going to show you how to do in a minute. And this right here is for removing a Schrader valve core. And keep in mind that not all valve cores are removable, so you have to know if they're removable. Specifically, I'm going to show you what to look for on this Presta valve stem right here to see if it's removable. And this one in this case is. So you probably already know why you might be interested in a tool like this if you're watching this video. But in my case, I wanted to remove a Presta valve core so I could add slime into the tire as a sealant for the tube. So that's one good reason to have one of these. But let's go ahead and take a close look up at the valve stem so you can see how to tell if it's a removable core. So now that we're close up, we're going to go ahead and remove the valve cap. We're going to zoom in really close here. You can see right on the edge right here, there's a flat surface, and that means that this valve core is removable. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove it with this valve core removal tool. So all you do is you just slide it on, just like that. And now that it's on, you could use a wrench, but you just turn to the left. In that case, that's towards me. And voila, it's that simple. Got the valve core removed, and you can see that little flat surface there again. Some people use a pair of pliers, but that is easy to damage this valve core with. So this tool is just perfect for removing valve cores like this. So we'll go ahead, put it back in, can start screwing it in clockwise, my hands, and then I'll finish the job like this. And just get it to a point where it's nice and snug, and that's how it works. And in case you wanted to take the valve core out of a Schrader valve, then you would use this end right here. And like I said, you might want to use a tool like this to remove the core, then add slime or some other goo into your tires to keep them from going flat. So that is my review of the Zufecy bike valve core removal tool. This is a tool that's going to make it very easy to remove your valve core from your Presta tubes if they have a removable core. And you've seen how to identify whether or not you have a removable core. So I hope you liked my review of this Zufecy bike valve core removal tool. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.